on, 2 times 2. This can't be so hard. Ooh, I also need to memorize this.
Ah, Sammy! Our kitchen is full of dirty dishes. It's your turn today to clean up.
I totally forgot. I'm sorry. Let me finish here and I'll do it. So where was I? Huh? Hello?
Sam, where are you?
Oops, Roger, I forgot.
What? But you promised to help me.
Sorry.
Ooh, I am so happy we decided to take a break and go to see a movie.
A movie? What are you talking about?
Don't tell me you forgot about that too. You promised me.
Sorry, Sue. I'm very busy right now. We will go some other time, okay?
We need to do something. I have a great craft idea that will help you remember everything. Firstly, we are going to need some cardboard and colorful paints. Even though it's an organizing craft, it doesn't have to look boring. Am I right?
Sounds good. Sue, have you seen my textbook? I completely forgot where I'd put it. Ugh. What is this doing here? Susan, is this yours?
Oh, right about time. This is exactly what I need. I can squeeze lots of acrylic paint in here.
Sue, what exactly are you up to? This looks quite weird.
Trust me, Sammy, you're going to like it so much. I promise. We need to make sure that the paint inside the baggie is fully covering the cardboard. Watch me! Now let's fix everything with some Scotch tape. It has to be sturdy in order not to slip. Voila! This is what you should get in the end.
I don't get it. This is just a piece of cardboard in a baggie full of paint.
It's not like that, Sam. Check it out. You can draw on it.
Wow! Is that some kind of magic? I simply have to try this. This is so cool! I love it! Thank you, Sue!
I'm happy that you like it, Sammy, but that's not all.
Seriously? There's something else? Then let's move on.
I like your enthusiasm. To proceed, we need more cardboard.
I can do that. Don't go anywhere. Hello? Do you hear me? Buy cheap. Sell high. We need more cardboard. This is epic! They will call me the Cardboard King! Ah! I'm okay.
It's good to hear that, and thank you for all of this. Let's come up with a shape for our future craft. We'll make a half circle on top. It is important that our drawing board doesn't fall out, so let's leave some extra space at the edges.
Sue, I brought you a special ruler!
Great! Now we can easily make several openings. We are going to need them.
It's time for some magic! Whoosh! Ha ha!
Awesome! Now let's take the base and transfer our template. I know some magic too. Oh, these look quite boring. I know, we can paint them.
Did someone say boring and paint?
Yeah, would you have a look, Monsieur Magnifique? What color should we use?
Well, well, well. You need something not boring and bright. Why pick one if we can use all of them?
What are you talking about?
We will make our craft colorful.
All done. Well, what do you say?
It's awesome, but why do we need the openings? To look through them?
Here we'll have poppets. Let me show you how to make them.
Oh yes, I love poppets. Yay.
This time we need our ruler, a ball, and foam paper.
Wow, that's what I call a great hair day. Sue!
Do you want to deal with your hair or make a poppet, Sam?
Yeah, you're right. I really want this poppet, but at what cost?
Now using this ball will make the pieces. Foam paper should be hot enough to keep the right shape. Let's cut it out, but don't forget to leave some extra foam paper edges, like this.
It's gonna be huge!
Oh yeah, we did great, but it would be even better if we made them colorful. Let's paint each one of these according to the colors that we have on our base.
Let me guess. Next we need to glue them to the cardboard.
Right you are. Do you work part-time as a fortune teller, Sam?
Yeah, every Thursday after school. Does the letter M mean anything to you? Quack! Mama? Yes, I see. Your mom says hi to you. She misses you so much. What? But she's standing right there.
Give my money back, you fraudster.
I see you're making good money on your hobby. Anyway, let's get back to our craft. We'll glue this piece at the front part. Now comes a big moment. We need to fix the drawing board really good. And cover it with the second base part.
I'm back! Do you need help?
Well, we need ear templates.
Your order is here, miss. I made everything by myself.
Thanks, Sam. The golden part goes inside. And we simply glue them on top. Looks cute, right?
This goes here. Uh-huh. Look, Sue, I made the unicorn horn.
Awesome! Here we go! These two poppets can become a pair of eyes. We only need to work them up a bit. Let's not forget about the mouth. I also have another cool decoration idea. Let's make our poppet a cute little bow. Here are the pieces.
And I already have the material. The color choice is just perfect.
Yes, I like it very much too. So first we'll make the outline.
I want to do it. Where is my pencil? Oh, thanks. Okay. Be careful, Sam. You can do it.
Sammy, can you speed up a little?
Patience is a virtue, Sue. What's more important, quality or speed? And I'm done, Sue.
Finally, let's move on. Hop. This looks great. Let's fix it here.
I love it, Sue. I mean it. It's a perfect spot for the bow. Hooray! I thought you said it would help me remember everything.
Don't worry, Sammy. We are not done yet. We're at the most important stage now. Let's add some sparkle to it. I know how you like shiny things. See? Now you can write all your notes here.
Wow! Practical and shiny! Just how I like it. It's perfect. But I still have to test it. Sue, there's no more free space left. What shall we do?
Don't be silly, Sammy. We can easily erase everything and use the board again.
That's great and everything, but we'll waste so many tissues like that.
Then let's upgrade our marker.
Oh yes, and I already have an idea. Here, a perfect colored cardboard for a perfect craft.
I also like this teal color so much. It's so refreshing.
Welcome to our show about the wild yarn. Psst! Friends, here we have a rare pink yarn species. It's such a rare occasion that it allowed us to come up so close. Aw, look at that! Our pink yarn just had a baby! What? You want to be a pom-pom on our marker? Is that your dream? Well, go ahead.
Great, you're going right here. Now it's a lot more practical. We also need a place to keep our marker safe.
Awesome! It's exactly what I need. I always lose my stationery. Sue, help me here! Like this. Oh, there we go. We're such a great team.
Now I will show how to make a pom-pom in detail. So watch closely. First, we need to wind the yarn of different colors around the hand. Like this.
Now we'll put it on the table and tie it up.
Do it really tight so the threads don't come out later. The next step is to cut the yarn in half. You will get some kind of a messy pom-pom like this. I need the scissors again. Sam, do you know why I'm doing this?
To remove the extra threads from the pom-pom. It's like cutting the wool.
Exactly. And voila, it's like we got it from a shop.
But how will you attach it to our craft?
Easy peasy. Watch me, Sam. We sew the pom-pom like this, but don't forget to secure it with a knot. Now we can attach it to our craft using a thread and a needle. All done. Our cute craft is completed.
to. Come on, Sam, you know it. I need to distract myself. Where's our craft? What to draw? Oh, I know.
Phew, I'm exhausted.
Then just squish those eyes. I mean, that puppet.
I feel much better now. So, did you remember to do everything that you planned?
Oh yeah, it's cool that I wrote it down. I washed the dishes even though I didn't like it. Then we played D&D and we lost as always. And later we went to the movies with Sue. It was a great day. Friends, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye-bye.
See you in our new videos. We love you. Bye!